Okay, let's start our project. We go to our project and we go to our project folder. I think regression project. We create a new lab, and name it, for example, a score prediction. Sometime in the future, I will give you a tutorial about Git and GitHub, and then we were using Discord and GitHub together. Okay, but just for now, we use it. Okay, at first we must import .py as np, pandas as pd, import matplotlib. Okay, let's copy some of them from here to make ourselves faster. Oh, we delete these two. Okay. Now, importing our libraries. We have done it. What we do second? What is right with it? Oh. And wait a little. What we do second? We second import our data. We create data is equal pd dot read csv. By clicking the tab, it gives us the names. Score.csv. Okay, let's see our data. We are very familiar with it, but let's see it. Okay, as you can see, it's our score file. We need to test it by mathematics, English, history, social studies, French, some final. Okay, at first, we create a data void and we say it's equal to, let's use something that Gemini gives us. Here, how to split train data. Let me tell you about this line of code. At first, for training your model in neural network or some kind of machine learning, it's better to have more than 100 or 81 data. For that, we split our data in 20% and 80%. How we do that? These x and y are there. We say let's create data y is equal to what? You can say data y is equal to data final. Okay, and data x is equal to what? Data mathematics. It's big M. Then we run it. For x we write data. For x we write data x. For y we write data y. Okay, what this phrase call us? Let's see what this phrase tells us. Let's go to Gemini and say if it gives us any explanation or not. Okay, it didn't give us an explanation. Let's search how to use train test a split without randoming data. Okay. A Stack Overflow is where you can write your question and the people always answer. Sometimes I answer too in a Stack Overflow. It's good to ask always there are someone answer and they are very intelligent person, smart. I don't know how to say. Okay, I searching for this comment. Shuffle false. What we do by that? We do what we say. Let's run it and show you. Oh, we don't forget to from metrics scikit-learn.metrics import. Okay, now it's must run. Oh, sorry, train test split row. We don't imported that. Okay, now let me show you x train. Okay, x train. It starts from 39, as you can see. 39, 56, 96. But when we delete this line of code, what it do? It make them random. Why we don't want to random or we want? I want to tell you that you can just do it. In this code, it doesn't matter for us. Because of that, we put it random to be more better. Okay, let's see x train. We have x train, y train, y test. It's enough for today. We were going to solve it tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe.